You expose the real from the fakes. You have the type of energy whereby knowingly or unknowingly you rip the masks of individuals' false facades. I feel that your energy is extremely powerful, and you have been placed in situations, certain groups, certain workplaces to shift the dynamics of individuals who have been getting away with things that were underhanded for far too long. You have the type of energy whereby these individuals fear your presence, because everything that they pretended that they were, you are the true embodiment of it. And whenever you come around, they get so much mental anxiety because they know that they are facing the truth. That is you. These individuals have held on to a lie for far too long, pretending that they are all about togetherness when they're all about separation and isolation. These individuals could be fake leaders getting into positions of power by default. Also, by being nice to other people in leadership positions, acting as if they are in alignment with the goodwill for everyone, when behind these other leaders' back, they are mean-spirited, vengeful, discriminating. So then one way to people in positions of power, and this could also be someone that is in a position of power, and then there another way around you and others, or you've witnessed their treatment towards others. But because they were able to manipulate certain people in high positions, they got away with their behavior. You see, these individuals are very chaotic. They don't know about being fair, being kind. They have a very me first, selfish type energy. They're very scattered. And they were able to get away with their underhanded deeds. That was before you came into the picture. What you see in these individuals that you come across that are not within the light is plain for you to see. But for others, these individuals are able to skip under the radar. And you may feel to yourself that, can't you see what I can see? Can't you feel what I can feel whenever you're around that person? But your presence around these individuals eventually allows their master slip and they are forced to flee. Some of you may find that these individuals don't want to be around you. They may snub you. They may rush away whenever you come around because they know that you can see through them, and they know that you're extremely powerful, and it highlights their weaknesses. Because for someone to act underhanded to get by in life demonstrates weakness, and they know it. This person or whoever this individual is, they lack love. They don't even love themselves. Now, all of us are on our self-love healing journey, but this individual is very repressed, very closed off. So when you see them being all nice and jovial to certain people in positions of power, it's all fake. And you know it. And they know that you know. They may have tried to push you out of situations. They may have tried to block your path and waited to see if their plans have worked. But all they see is you being victorious. All they see is you being celebrated. And Spirit is saying, with these types of individuals, don't get into competition with these individuals. You have won already because you are staying true to yourself. These individuals are living a lie. Do you know how tiring it is to live a lie? That's why they can't stand to be around you. Because they know that if people see you both standing together in the same room, you're not vibrating on the same frequency, because you are the truth and they are the clown. I'm going to be straight up and down. This is how I feel. I'm going to bring it to you like that, butterflies. And you may have found these individuals trying to rival your energy because they feel to themselves, you are powerful. So if I can destroy this powerful person, if I can push them out of this environment, this friendship group, this workplace, then I will be seen as a victor. Spirit is saying, lead by example. Who you are, what you embody, your work, your skills, and your talents will do the talking for you. Because this person talks a lot. They lie a lot. They talk about what they've got, what they've accomplished. For some of you, yeah, they may have accomplished some of the things that they mention. They may all act all, tough and give the old bravado. It's all fake. Put them in real life situations and you'll see them flee. Can't cope. Can't even speak up for themselves. But they hide behind powerful individuals to prop them up and make them look powerful. They see the power within you, but they're scared that other people who are equally as powerful will see that too. So they may try and push you out. They may try and downgrade you. They may try and ignore you. It's all insecurity, darling. That's where it's coming from. And when you come around these type of people, what happens is other people start to awaken to who the real powerhouse is, to who the real match is. And it's not them. And that's why they wanted you to get out of wherever you align with this person. And when I say align, I'm not saying that you are an energetic match, but you were placed in this situation with this person for a reason. Because again, this individual was allowed to get away with their manipulation and lies for too long. For some of you, people are going to find out this person has been acting underhanded, has been chaotic, has been pretending that they're more intelligent than they really are. Has been acting as if they have their ducks in a row. Because they're very observant and analytical, especially when it comes to you. They've worked you out. They know that you are who they have been trying to embody. And that's why they are shocked, because they never envisioned in their whole entire existence that they will be faced with the lie that they conjured up. So that's why they seek to drastic means to try and stop and block you and hide you and block your advancements, because they're insecure when they come around you. They can't cope. And their insecurities in regards to you makes them start acting out. And be mindful, because this person will act like they are the victim. You're intimidating them. Like I said, don't say nothing to no one. Let your talents and your skills do the talking. This person is a victim to themselves. They are caged in their own lies. They are unbalanced and they see strength within you. Quiet power. This person feels very depleted. They feel very bored with their life. That's why they conjure up all these lies. They feel stagnated and blocked. And they see you as someone that's very creative, self-expressive, someone that enjoys making other people feel good, someone that spreads positive energy. You expose that this person or these people are fakes. And people come to the realization after a while, may not be immediate, that it was all a facade. And this person was leading them down a road where they don't want to belong. You see, your energy will do the talking. If it's not happening now, eventually it will happen. You expose the real from the fakes.